Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to present a mind mapping about germination and cell cycle in Brachypodium seed. Anyway, I want to introduce myself. My name is Adelia Salsabila Azara in majoring biology education. Mapping helps us understand the important factors and process involved in early growth of seed, especially in a model plants called Brachypodium. We will look at four main points. The first is external factor, internal factor, the state of germination, and the definition germination. Okay, let's take a closer look at each of these parts. Let's go. Let's begin with the first part, internal factor that influence at germination. These include genetic elements and plant hormones, such as auxin, gibberellins, and cytokinins. They work inside the seed to control when and how it starts to grow. Now that we've seen the internal influence, let's move on the external factor like water, light, and oxygen. These factors come from the environment and are essential for activating the germination process. Next, let's take a look at the germination state itself, how seed begins to grow through imbibition and enzyme activity. Water enters the seed, enzyme break down stored food, and this fuels the early growth of the embryo. Okay, finally, to wrap it up, let's revisit the basic definition of germination. Germination is the development of the seed's structure and size until it becomes a young plant. Seed germination is considered in the intention of the first developmental phase in the life cycle of higher plants and is followed by post-germination growth of the seed. A seed begins to germinate under favorable conditions in response to environmental stimuli such as light, temperature, soil components, especially nitrate. And the molecular mechanisms of such response have been well characterized. Germination is a complex process by which mature cells resume their growth and transition from a mature-based developmental program to a germination-driven program and subsequent seedling growth. Definition: germination begins with water uptake and is complete when the radicle emerges from the seed's protective structure. Initially, there is rapid water imbibition by the dry seed in phase 1 until the seed tissue is completely hydrated. This is followed by limited water absorption during phase 2, while in phase 3 there is an increase in water absorption related to the completion of germination. The most important phase in phase 2, which is associated with various cellular and biochemical events such as DNA repair and translation of stored and newly synthesized mRNA. Cell cycle, which stop in dormant seed, is reactivated during germination, then replication is relatively late even in seedling establishment, and of course after the seeds absorb water at the ends of phase 2, which is associated with various cellular and biochemical events such as DNA repair and translation of stored and newly synthesized mRNA. Cell cycle, which stop in dormant seed, is reactivated during germination, then replication is relatively late even in seedling establishment, and of course after the seeds absorb water at the ends of phase 2. Okay, to conclude, seed germination is a complex but fascinating process influenced by both internal and external factors. By understanding this factor and state involved, especially in model plants like Brachypodium, we can gain deeper insight into plants developmental. Thank you for your attention, and I hope the presentation has helped you understand the early growth of seeds better. Thank you for watching.